Salutations YouTube, it's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here in the city of Costa Mesa and I'm at the Bristol store if you guys want to come check it out. And I'm really excited to take you guys in there. But if you guys love thrifting, thrift hauls, vlogs, home decor, I am doing Vlogmas and Thriftmas this week. So I'm doing 2 videos a day. So check out the Vlogmas episode later on today at 11. But if you guys love thrifting, thrift hauls, vlogs, home decor, do not forget to subscribe to the little bell button so you're notified when those videos go up. And on Instagram, it's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here. And check out my shop, itsHadrian.com to see whatever for sale from my thrifting ventures. But without further ado, let's in the store and go check it out. Alright, we are looking through the handbags. Oh, excuse me. Just got into the store. There was like a line, but like literally I was like the only person there. Like we're at capacity. So I just like waited. I just like stood there for like a second. Someone came out. Then I was able to go in. But here we are. I don't see any handbags really. So let's go check out the rest of the store. Start off in the knick-knack section, see if there's anything here. I love like this crackled glass. They have these Anthropology glasses that look like that. And they're so pretty. This little thing is pretty cute. Plastic. A little dinosaur, or no, dragon egg. A mortar, no pestle. Oh, this thing looks like a vase. Made in Portugal. Well, it's like a pitcher, but I think you can use that. You can use it as a vase too, for sure. Ooh, letter W from Steinmart. This little snail.
I'm not gonna show you that.
I thought this was a Le Creuset at first, but it's like a something from World Market. I didn't know World Market had stuff like that. That's pretty cool. I'm just looking through the cooking stuff. Here's another one. It's probably like not anything, but I don't know what it says. I think it's like numbers.
Can I get a manager to the front,
Ooh,
please?
there are more of these over here. Oh, Kate Spade. I love Kate Spade stuff. This is actually pretty cute. But it looks like it's $3.99. So maybe no to that. Especially because the gold has like some scratching on it already. So it's like starting to come off a little bit. Lots of clean canteen stuff. Is this Starbucks? No, Aladdin. I think this might be Starbucks. Right, this is Starbucks, right? This is my imagination. Oh, it is, yes. $3.99. It's kind of cute, just a little dirty. Just hold on to this. I might send that to the Philippines. More clean canteen. Corksicle. See what's down here. There's a Bugs Bunny cup. Jose. Keep calm and make tea. Giant letter G mug. Oh, I love these little cups. The Bailey's ones. The little faces are always so cute. Albeit a little haunted, but I mean, it's okay. It's okay. There's another little Bailey's thing down here. There's also this, what is the name? BB-8 little cup right there. Oh, there so it doesn't fall. What are these guys? No. A Harry Potter mug. That's cool. Marauders Map Mug. I'm looking through the crystal and the glass, but I didn't really spot anything too noteworthy. This line picture is kind of fun. That's kind of cute. Other than that, nothing else really. Some Christmas garland. Don't think I need any more Christmas garland right now though. Ooh, this little stool is pretty nice. This comforter is pretty nice too. It's from Target, it's $40. Kind of looks like Hearth and Hand. Okay, ooh, look at this. Little flowers, these are cute. Painted exclusively for something. Oh, Pier 1 Imports. Oh, what does that say? Little flower thing. Ooh, rainbow. That's kind of fun. $3.99. Like that. A little cheese board. Where is this from? Two's Company. Let's see. I like the color of that. That's pretty cool. These plates are cute. These plates from Effetto, handmade in Italy. Not really spotting anything that's too jumping out at me. Oh, I like that yellow, like that orangey yellow color. Sakura. Sakura always makes pretty stuff. New toys. I'm so mad because it just changed my battery before I came here and it's like already dying. Hey, this is like a hobo wallet. Ooh, perfect. Very exciting. This looks like a Ted Baker, but I don't think it is. No, it's not. Cute. Let's see what else is in here. I also found this a really cute green Tumi wallet, which is in great shape. I think I'm gonna get this too. Hot diggity dog, look at me. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm over at the register waiting in line. And I found these Pottery Barn Christmas napkins. So I am so excited. Ah! Hey guys, okay, so we are back at the house. I'm really excited to share with you guys what we ended up getting today. So let me start off with these. Okay, so I looked up these Bando Starbucks tumblers and they are actually pretty pricey resale, and this one is brand new. It still has a sticker on the bottom and just a little dusty and just like probably just a little wash and it's gonna be good to go. So I decided to get it and pick it up maybe if someone wants it in the shop, or I always like when I have new ones like this too, I do like if I need like a last minute present or something, like or if mom's like, oh, do you have like something I can give to like someone's kid or whatever, like I feel like these tumblers are such a good way to go, and then you can just like put in like a Starbucks gift card or something, something fun like that, or like yeah. So I know like right now we don't have anyone coming over to the house, and I'm like, when we have parties we can have like takeaway cups and which I used to do that in the past, but right now no one's literally coming over to the house other than us. So I mean, I can just use a new cup every single day, or now that it's the holidays, presents are awesome. So, and then the other one I got is this other brand new Starbucks cup, and this one's so pretty because it looks like let me set this down. I love like the iridescent, I don't know if you guys can see that, like if it's picking up on camera, but it literally looks like a mother of pearl something. Like it's really pretty. I think it's supposed to be kind of like the Sierra Nevada mountains or something, mountainscape or something. Really pretty. Both of these cups were only $3.99. I also love like the colors in this, but yeah, love it. I love thrifting new Starbucks cups. Plus, like, I I don't like, it's weird. My obsession with collecting cups is like so real, especially in the thrift store. Ugh, it's nuts. Okay, so I got those possible gifts, possible, I don't know what. The next thing I got are these tea towels, and these are also like little, I think these are like little cocktail napkins, and they are like Christmas themed. They have the different reindeer. There's Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet on Cupid on Donner and Blitzen, and da da da. I wonder how many of these there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Oh my gosh, there's 8. I didn't even count them. Honestly, I just got them because I was like, ooh, I'm just gonna get them because I have wanted these forever. These are the Pottery Barn reindeer napkins and cocktail napkins. So this is so exciting. This is perfect for Christmas. I do already have a set of Christmas napkins. I honestly think I have 2 sets. I think I have like a plain red linen, and then I think I have another red but it has like holly or something like embroidered onto the little sides. This is perfect. White with a reindeer, so cute. And I have the cocktail napkins as well. Like, we never use cocktail napkins, but I mean, like, we can now. So this was exciting. I thought also there was like a sticker on here when I first saw it at the register, and it was like $3.99 or something. I was so excited, but then she was like, oh, that's like, it just fell on there or something because the real price was here. It was $7.99. I was like, you know what, that is still a deal. I'll take them. Yes. So very happy. I feel like these have never been used. They're probably just sitting in someone's house collecting dust. So they're gonna need a good washing and then a good ironing, and then they're gonna be perfect. So excited. They're so crispy still too. Like, honestly, like, they feel brand new, like never used. But that is going to be it for today. That's all I got. So thank you guys again so much for hanging out today and checking out the store. It was so much fun taking you guys in there, and I'm so excited that I found these items. And let me know what you guys have found recently. Have you guys been thrifting recently? I always love hearing about your finds as well. Tag me on Instagram. itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here. Tune in to today's Vlogmas episode that's up at 11, and the new Thriftmas thrifting video is up tomorrow at 7 a.m. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys all in that next video. All right, bye.